Hello guys, today I will discuss share market after crypto for your convenience. Join me as I dive into the world of the share market and challenge myself to explain exactly how it works in just one day. The share market plays a vital role in the economy, allowing companies to raise capital and investors to buy and sell parts of these companies. It's a platform that facilitates economic growth, creates wealth, and provides opportunities for individuals to invest in their financial future. Many people have misconceptions about the share market, believing it's only for the rich or that it's too risky. But the truth is, anyone can invest in the share market regardless of their income or social status. It's not just for the wealthy, and it's not as complicated as it seems. Another common misconception is that the share market is like a casino where people gamble their money away. But the reality is, investing in the share market requires research, strategy, and a deep understanding of the companies you're investing in. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term investment in your financial future. Some people also believe that the share market is only for experts or professionals. But the truth is, anyone can learn about the share market and make informed decisions about their investments. With the right resources and knowledge, you can navigate the share market with confidence and make smart investment choices. The share market is often misunderstood, and it's not as intimidating as it seems. By educating yourself and doing your research, you can overcome your fears and invest in your financial future with confidence. So, how does the share market actually work? Well, companies issue stocks to raise capital, and investors buy these stocks in hopes of earning a return on their investment. A stock represents a unit of ownership in a company, and when you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. The share market is facilitated by stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. These exchanges provide a platform for companies to list their shares and for investors to buy and sell them. The process of buying and selling shares is facilitated by brokers, who act as intermediaries between investors and the exchange. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of the company's assets and profits. As the company grows and earns more profits, the value of your share increases, providing you with a potential return on your investment. You can then sell your shares for a profit or hold on to them for the long term. The share market offers many benefits, including the potential for long-term wealth creation and economic growth. By investing in the share market, you're providing capital to companies that can create jobs, innovate, and drive economic growth. Informed decision-making is key when it comes to investing in the share market. By doing your research, setting clear goals, and developing a strategy, you can make smart investment choices that align with your financial objectives. The share market is an important platform that provides opportunities for individuals to invest in their financial future. By understanding how it works and making informed decisions, you can unlock its potential and achieve your long-term financial goals. That's it for today's video on the share market. I hope you learned something new and are more confident in your understanding of how it works. If you have any thoughts on the share market, leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about investing, check out my video on investing tips for beginners. Thanks for watching.